Good nutrition is extremely important for healthy hair growth. It is one of the first things that you should work on when suffering from hair loss, excessive hair damage or slow hair growth. Now I will share with you best 10 superfoods to prevent hair loss you should know. 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, that not only promotes a healthy scalp but effectively promotes hair growth too. 2. Eggs. Protein is a primary part of hair. So you need to eat protein-based foods like eggs to keep your hair healthy. In addition to protein, eggs are a good source of biotin and other B vitamins that help control hair loss. The protein present in eggs is considered high-quality protein and is excellent for hair growth and hair strength. 3. Salmon. Salmon is a type of fatty fish that is good for your brain, your blood vessels, your skin and also your hair. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids that promote hair growth. 4. Avocados. Avocados are high in vitamins B and E, which can help protect and strengthen hair. Vitamin B is important for hair growth. Vitamin E helps repair damage on the scalp. 5. Beef. The body needs protein to produce quality hair. Beef contains a good amount of protein along with B vitamins, iron and zinc. 6. Beans. Beans are a great low-calorie source of protein, fiber, B vitamins, vitamin C, zinc and minerals, which are essential for hair growth. Beans also contain a good amount of iron that is necessary to prevent hair loss. 7. Yogurt. Yogurt is packed with vitamin B5 and vitamin D that are known to promote hair follicle health. Alternatively, you can also use yogurt to make a hair mask every once in a while. 8. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds contain plenty of hair loss preventing nutrients including protein, zinc, selenium, biotin, potassium, copper, iron, B vitamins, vitamin E, magnesium and calcium. They are also high in omega-6 fatty acids. 9. Shrimps. Shrimps are rich sources of zinc which prevents the thinning of hair. The zinc contained in shrimps attaches to the hair follicles and prevents thinning. Excess quantities of zinc are not good for hair, so it is necessary to restrict the daily intake of zinc to 11 mg if you want to use it for preventing the problem of hair loss. 10. Spinach. The nutritional profile of spinach makes it an excellent superfood for anyone longing for lovely locks. Spinach contains a good amount of nutrients and antioxidants. This green leafy vegetable is a good source of vitamins B, C and E, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids that are required for healthy hair growth.